Okay, it's Wednesday, May 27th, and that wall is finished, ready to be primed, and the plumber is coming today. So as with the insulation, I got tired of waiting for the floor to be opened, so I opened the floor. So today the plumber can simply reconnect below the floor the supply lines that we're feeding the tub with that flexible line, and then it goes over to feed the two sinks. Okay. All right, so the rest of the floor opening is here so he can remove the tub vent. And this is now a lot cleaner, so he can do his rough in for the drain and rough in for a new shower. And I've opened up the wall to get the extent of the damage, I think. So the plumber should be here within the hour, and we'll see if the contractor yells. If he yells, he yells, right? Gloomy day outside.